Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6262, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 6262, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 6262 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 6262 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 6262 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 6262? Angel number 6262 represents balance between responsibility and personal growth. The number 6 emphasizes family, harmony, and nurturing, while the number 2 symbolizes cooperation, relationships, and divine timing. Repeated in a mirrored sequence, 6262 signals the need to align your home life with your spiritual mission. It encourages you to trust the process of change while maintaining emotional stability. This angel number often appears when you're being guided to reassess your priorities, make peace with the past, and move forward with a mindset rooted in love, balance, and conscious decision-making. Your angels want you to stay calm and trust your path. What's the symbolism of angel number 6262? The symbolism of 6262 lies in its balanced structure and the repeating energies of 6 and 2. The number 6 symbolizes care, domestic life, and problem-solving, while 2 represents diplomacy, balance, and intuitive trust. Together, they reflect the dance between nurturing others and honoring your own need. The repetition underscores the importance of duality, light and shadow, giving and receiving, action and reflection. This number reminds you that life is about cycles and harmony, and by embracing cooperation and compassion, you can achieve personal and relational peace. It symbolizes divine guidance, helping you harmonize your emotional, spiritual, and material realities. What is the angel number 6262 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 6262 encourages growth through self-awareness, balanced energy, and alignment with divine guidance. It calls you to nurture your inner world while staying connected to your outer responsibilities. The spiritual message is to trust your intuition and maintain faith, even when challenges arise. Number 6 focuses on healing and service, while 2 strengthens your connection to others and your higher self. When you see 6262, it often means your spiritual path requires cooperation, patience, and emotional clarity. It's a prompt to develop inner peace and to walk your path with compassion for yourself and others, while trusting the divine order of life. What does the angel number 6262 mean for love? In love, 6262 speaks of creating harmony through communication, compassion, and emotional presence. It encourages deeper connection and understanding in romantic partnerships by balancing personal needs with those of your partner. If you're in a relationship, this number asks you to focus on emotional support, trust, and teamwork. For singles, 6262 suggests preparing yourself for a love built on mutual respect and spiritual alignment. It's a call to heal past wounds and cultivate self-worth so that you can attract a healthy, stable relationship. Love under 6262 is about emotional maturity, forgiveness, and building connections rooted in harmony and mutual care. What does angel number 6262 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 6262 signals the need for emotional healing and balance within the connection. It may reflect a time of separation or internal work where both individuals must align emotionally and spiritually. The number 6 encourages nurturing and unconditional love, while 2 represents divine timing and unity. This combination suggests your twin flame journey is divinely guided and that challenges can be resolved through patience and emotional maturity. 6262 also emphasizes personal responsibility. Healing your own wounds is essential for the union to thrive. It's a sign that you and your twin flame are evolving through spiritual and emotional balance. What does angel number 6262 for manifestation? Angel number 6262 supports manifestation through emotional alignment, stability, and partnership. To manifest effectively, this number urges you to focus on intentions that align with both your heart and higher purpose. The number 6 helps anchor your desires in love and service, while 2 emphasizes trust, timing, and cooperative energy. 6262 tells you to stay positive. Your dreams are closer than they seem, especially if they relate to love, home, and meaningful partnerships. Stay grounded and open to receiving. How does angel number 6262 affect finances? Financially, 6262 brings a message of balance, smart decision-making, and the importance of financial planning within your home and family. The number 6 speaks to material needs and responsibility, while 2 encourages collaboration and intuition in financial matters. If you're experiencing financial stress, 6262 reminds you that balance and patience will lead to improvement. It may also signal new opportunities through teamwork, joint ventures, or community support. Avoid extremes, overspending or underinvesting, and instead take a measured approach. Your angels are guiding you toward abundance that supports your emotional well-being and long-term stability. Stay organized and trust wise, intuitive choices. What does angel number 6262 mean for former relationships? Angel number 6262 encourages emotional closure, healing, and the release of lingering attachments from former relationships. It reminds you that forgiveness and understanding are necessary for growth. The number 6 urges compassion and reflection on lessons learned, while 2 supports peace, balance, and moving forward with grace. This number often appears when it's time to let go of the past and clear space for new emotional beginnings. It's not about regret, it's about gratitude for the experience and empowerment through release. 6262 encourages emotional maturity and reminds you that healing opens the door to healthier future relationships. How does angel number 6262 guide your work life? In your career, 6262 encourages creating a harmonious work environment and aligning your job with your values. The number 6 brings attention to responsibility and service, while 2 emphasizes cooperation, teamwork, and diplomacy. This number may suggest finding a role that allows you to support others or fosters emotional well-being. It also highlights the need to balance work demands with personal life and emotional health. If you're facing stress or uncertainty, 6262 reassures you that calm, thoughtful action will lead to better outcomes. It may also suggest success through partnerships or collaborative efforts, especially when guided by intuition and fairness. What are the strengths of angel number 6262? The strengths of angel number 6262 include emotional intelligence, nurturing abilities, and strong instincts for creating harmony in relationships and life. It reflects a balanced personality that values both love and logic, responsibility and flexibility. People connected to 6262 often have a deep sense of compassion and are natural peacemakers. Their intuition, patience, and desire to help others make them reliable in times of conflict or change. This number also offers strength in maintaining spiritual grounding while achieving practical goals. Its biggest asset lies in its capacity to heal, build strong foundations, and lead through gentle influence and empathy. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6262? The weaknesses of 6262 can include emotional codependency, avoidance of conflict, and difficulty with change. The nurturing energy of the number May 6 lead to overgiving or self-sacrifice, while the peaceful nature of May 2 cause someone to avoid difficult conversations or suppress personal needs to keep the peace. People under this number's influence may struggle with indecision or fear of disrupting harmony, which can lead to stagnation. Additionally, they may become too focused on others' well-being, neglecting their own growth. 6262 challenges you to set healthy boundaries, speak your truth, and embrace change without losing your center.